A woman found out that a naked man was living in the trunk of her car for 3 days.
Why are you in my trunk and are you naked?
Yeah.
What?
It's a rite of passage.
To be... how did you get in there?
I'm the son of the Pope.
She called the police and he was eventually arrested.
Yep, very much a naked man in my trunk. Okay, ready?
He's biting my toe! He's biting my toe! He's biting my toe for real! He's gonna bite it off! He's gonna bite it off! Leo! I'm gonna kick you in the face! I'm not joking!
I feel like a lot of people associate bad video quality with a potato, but honestly, I feel like the quality isn't that bad. I mean, it's not like great, but it's not horrible.
These people ordered a cake and it came extra firm.
Like a firm cake. Nothing like a really just firm cake.
This very brave sea lion saw a great white shark and scared it away. This person made friends with a hummingbird.
Hey Hector, come here, dude. You wanna take a chill? There you go.
Who's a bird? Who's a bird? Who's a pretty bird? It's Angus McBangus, the Angus McBangus, Angus McBangus, Angus McBangus. Angus McBangus.
So is this a dog, a cat? What am I looking at here? In case you didn't know, a shrimp has the ability to sneeze. A police officer told their dog to attack the suspect, but the dog was a little confused because they couldn't find anyone threatening.
Put your hands up back of your head now! Right now! Fora! Fora! Hey, Rocco, here! Here! Hit! Rocco! No! Rocco, here!
This is what happens when the biggest plane in the world flies through clouds.
No, jak pięknie wyciął mgłę.
Let it go!
Why you come and eat my food?
Yeah.
These police officers got themselves some really cool new scooters.
Oh, he on the grass with it? Oh, all terrain. You ain't gonna stop them.
Whoa! Oh, sir!
Yo!
Hello. She wants to come in, Tessa.
A few years ago, an astronaut snuck a gorilla suit onto the International Space Station.
Tu.
Do you give it over? Do you keep it?
Come here, Sophie.
The video is ending now. Goodbye.
When I was born, my mom bought 2 copies of the same stuffed animal. This one she kept pristine in a cabinet, and the other one she let me play with.
A few days ago, a massive volcano in the Pacific Ocean exploded and could be seen from space.
Oh shit, you got corona.
Oh man, no I don't.
No,
Come on, man.
You do got corona.
One of my subscribers has a trebuchet in their backyard and wanted to share it with all of you.
3, 2, 1.
A bunch of deer came over and started licking this cat.
I got a video. So
There were too many boys in the boys' bathroom, so the police had to come and kick them out.
Give me a kiss. Thank you, baby.